In the previous classes, we have completed our chapter number 10. Now today we will start with a new topic, chapter number 12, lines and angles. It is a geometry based topic. We will be studying about lines and angles in this chapter. When we talk about lines, there are different types of figures in lines. Suppose the first figure we talk about, we take two dots, 2 points on a paper, and with the help of a scale, if we join these 2 points, we get a figure. Now these 2 points are the endpoints of this figure. This figure is known as line segment. What do we call? This figure is called line segment. Suppose these 2 points are point A and point B. So AB is called a line segment. The properties of this line segment is that it has end points, means its length is fixed. इसके दो end points हैं, fixed end points हैं. इसको हम इसके आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकते, इधर भी नहीं बढ़ा सकते. It has fixed end points. It cannot be extended in any direction. ना तो हम उसको इस direction में आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं, ना इस direction में आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. This type of figure is called a line segment. Line segment AB, it has 2 endpoints. 2 endpoints it has, and it has a definite length. Definite length means उसकी length fix होती है, हम उसको कम या ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते. Definite length. And if we have to write, if we have to represent a line segment, we show it like this. Suppose this is a line segment AB, तो हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे AB, and on the top we draw a line segment like this with 2 fixed endpoints. So this is how we represent a line segment. Suppose we have a line segment, we have these 2 points P and Q. When we will join them, these are the P and Q are the endpoints. It is a line segment PQ. So we represent it like this, line segment PQ. This is all about the line segment, children. Now if this line segment we extend in one direction, अगर इस line segment को हम एक direction में आगे बढ़ा दें, suppose इस तरह से, a line segment cannot be extended, but this will give rise to another figure. Suppose ये line segment इसको हमने एक side से आगे बढ़ा दिया. Now we get another type of figure. This figure is known as a ray. What do we call it? A ray. It has one fixed endpoints and it can be extended endlessly in another direction. मतलब इस figure का एक fixed point होता है, एक तरफ से ये fix है, इधर से हम इसे आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकते, लेकिन एक डायरेक्शन में हम इसको कितना भी आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. It has one fixed endpoint and it can be extended endlessly in another direction. This figure is called as ray. Suppose we are talking about the rays of sun. So this is a sun. It is a fixed endpoint, and when it starts from the sun, it may go anywhere. It may come up to the earth. If there is a building, then it will come to the top of this building. Means one point is fixed and another point it can go anywhere. It may go on the top of a tree. So one point is fixed, another point it can go up to whichever place it wants. So one side is fixed, another point can be extended endlessly in another one direction. So this type of figure is called a ray. It has, this point is called the initial point. We call it initial point, and it has only one end point. And since in one direction it is endless, हमें नहीं पता ये कहाँ तक जाएगी, तो we cannot measure it. हम इसको नाप नहीं सकते, इसकी length infinite हो सकती है, okay? Because only one point is fixed, another point it may go anywhere. So this cannot be measured. And if we have to represent a ray, we represent it like this, AB, and then we show an arrow mark like this. It shows one point is fixed, another part can be extended endlessly in one direction. So this is about a ray. Now if this ray we extend in another direction also, like this. Now what has happened? We will get a figure in which it could be extended in both the directions. This type of figure is called a line. A line has no fixed endpoints. इसका कोई fixed endpoint नहीं होता. ये दोनों डायरेक्शन में हम कहीं तक भी इसको बढ़ा सकते हैं, इसीलिए इसकी कोई लेंथ नहीं होती, हम इसकी लेंथ को मेजर नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ये किसी भी डायरेक्शन में कितना भी इट्स लेंथ इज indefinite, it has no fixed length. A line segment only has a fixed length. A line does not have any fixed length because it can be extended endlessly in both the directions. So this figure is known as a line. Suppose this is line AB, it is represented like this AB, and on the top we draw a small line using arrows on both the sides, and this is read as line AB. So if we write like this is line segment AB. If we write like this is a ray AB, and if we write like this is a line AB. So three things we have studied about a line segment and a ray in this, that a line segment has two fixed endpoints. It cannot be extended in any direction. A ray has one fixed endpoint, and in one direction it can be extended endlessly. And a line has no fixed point, it can be extended endlessly in both the directions. So this is a line segment, this is a line segment, this is a ray, and this is a line. So these are the three things, children, which we will be studying in our line section: line segment, ray, and line. Just to revise it once again, a line segment has two fixed endpoints. Its length is definite. It cannot be extended in any direction. A ray has one fixed endpoint, and in one direction it can move to any extent. एक डायरेक्शन में ये कहीं तक भी जा सकती है. So it also does not, its length we cannot measure, and a line can be extended endlessly in both the direction. It has no fixed endpoint. तो line segment के दो endpoint, ray का एक और line का एक भी नहीं. So this is all about line segment, ray, and line. Now in the next video we will study about comparison between line segment, ray, and line, children. By then watch this video and try to understand about these three figures. Thank you, children.